I think it's ironic that although I'm a chainsaw carver, and that's very dangerous and whatnot, I've never cut myself with a chainsaw. But here I am trying to take out this crappy bed liner, and I spliced my finger wide open. So, yet another injury to add to the slew of injuries that I cause on myself. So, it just happened. You know, it bleeds a little bit more than other things, but if it'll focus. No. There we go. Nice deep cut. Oh well. Nothing a little bit of duct tape can't fix. Thanks for looking. God bless.